Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with WPS. First, let's understand what WPS is and why it's useful. WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, simplifies connecting devices to your wireless network. It's designed to make the process much easier, often eliminating the need to type in long, complex passwords. This feature is available on many modern routers and devices, offering a quick and secure way to get online. Now, let's find that WPS button. On most wireless routers, you'll find a small physical button, typically on the back or side. It's usually labeled WPS or has a symbol resembling two arrows chasing each other. Once located, you'll need to press this button to initiate the WPS connection process. Remember, it only stays active for a limited time, usually about 2 minutes, so be ready for the next step. With your router's WPS button pressed, it's time to connect your device. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for an option to connect using WPS. This might be labeled WPS push button or similar. Select it, and your device will begin searching for the WPS signal from your router. Within moments, if successful, your device should automatically join the Wi-Fi network without any password entry. It's that simple. If you encounter issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your router and the device you're trying to connect. Also, double-check that WPS is enabled in your router settings, as some routers allow you to disable it. If problems persist, you might need to connect manually with the password. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.